Hello everyone, my name is Tim and I'm one of the product specialists here at SpyCentre Security, the Spy Gear Superstore. And I'm here today to talk about the USB drive voice recorder. Now, there are a lot of people that are simply looking for a basic covert audio recorder that's easy to use and reliable. This normal looking USB drive conceals a hidden microphone that can record up to 16 hours on a single charge. Its strengths are its easy to use design and long continuous battery life. Now next up, I'm going to show you how to start and stop a recording with this thing and then actually give you a live demonstration of the audio quality that it can have. Take a listen.
Hello everyone, today what we're doing is a quality demonstration of the gray USB audio recorder. Now we're going to do a couple of different tests here in the store, and in order to do these tests for you, first and foremost we have to turn the unit on and start a recording. Let me show you how to do that. It's very easy on this unit. There's actually just one switch. All you do is you take this and you move it just like that, and you'll see a little blue and red light come on, and as soon as that little light goes away, that started the recording. There you go.
So now all of the audio you're hearing is actually being done by the device itself. Now, just to give you guys a scope of the store here, it's 20 feet wide by 30 feet long. Now we're going to do a couple of different tests for you today. The first test is going to be a conversation test, and for that test I'm going to put the recorder in my pocket. How you doing, Kenny?
Doing great, how are you?
Good, thank you.
So this is something we've been doing for years to test the audio quality of our recorders. This test is done in a normal speaking volume.
Awesome. And for the next test, we're going to put the gray USB audio recorder on a shelf and do a distance test. Here you go, Kenny. So this is a test at 10 feet. This is a test at 20 feet. And lastly, this is a test of the gray USB audio recorder at 30 feet. Now there is 8 gigabytes of storage inside the flash drive, which allows it to store up to 90 hours of audio at a time before you need to wipe the memory. When it comes to recharge the internal battery or listen to the files you've created, you simply just plug the whole flash drive directly into your computer. The USB interface is built right into the recorder. Part of what makes SpyCentre truly the Spy Gear Superstore and sets us apart from other spy stores out there is the fact that we offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. We've also been in business for over 20 years and have served tens of thousands of customers. Our support staff will ensure that you find the perfect product to fit your needs. We offer free ground shipping, discreet billing, free lifetime technical support, and we are also open on Saturdays to better assist you. If you guys have any questions about anything at all, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. You can find us online via live chat or by telephone at 1-800-292-7748.